Why does your scanner show the P2478 engine code? What does it mean? P2478 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature. Out of range, bank 1, sensor 1. The P2478 engine code for indicate. Your vehicle's engine computer has detected that the EGT sensor before the temperature that is abnormal, erratic, or outside factory limits. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: defective EGT sensor, damaged wiring harness, poor electrical connections, exhaust leaks, soot or particulate fouling. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.